Hey everybody, it's Uzi Husain with H2 Team Orlando and Keller Williams at the Parks Realty, and today is Mortgage Mondays. And how do you know that? Well, because you see, I'm here with my preferred lender, Shaheen Wazir with Christensen Financial.
How you doing? It's Monday again.
It's Monday again. You
Like,
had a great
seems
weekend.
Like every day is a Monday for us.
You had a busy weekend?
Yeah, it's a busy weekend.
Business has been good?
We did the home buyer workshop this weekend, so just rocking and rolling.
Yeah. You know, I'm glad you mentioned the home buyer workshop, because that's actually what I wanted to talk about today.
Oh, perfect.
So, why should we have a home buyer workshop, and how does that benefit them?
Well, we've been getting a lot of interest in first-time home buyers. I guess it's because the rents are so high right now.
Tell me about it.
They've been getting the new rent notices, rents going up in December or January. And I've had people I've talked to, like, say, 2 years ago, maybe.
Right.
Even them, they're coming back now and saying, hey, I really need to look into this home buying. I put it off for a while, but I can't afford this rent anymore.
Right.
So with the workshops, what we're doing is we are getting a team of experts together. We have the realtor, we have me as the lender, we have a credit repair person, we have a home inspector, we have an insurance agent. So each one gives their part and helps them and guides them through the whole process.
And we had a lot of fun when we did ours.
Yeah,
we had giveaways.
That was awesome. Yeah.
Right? We had tons of giveaways. But more than anything else, it was just absolutely a lot of fun, right? I think people walked away, even like next week when I called them, everybody said, hey, that was really informative, it was very educational, thank you, now I know what I need to do, I'm looking forward to my home search, I'm looking forward to, taking that next step. On a side note, by the way, investors, if you're listening, it's a great time to pick up investment properties because yes, rents are going up. I just had to throw that in there because we have a couple of listings that are great for that.
That's true.
So we're going to be doing a lot of home buying workshops next year.
People really loved it. A lot of them didn't have a clue on where to start or where to go. This way it kind of tied it all together. They knew exactly what the whole process is from start to finish, who else is involved, and I think it was wonderful.
You know, Shaheen, if you'll remember, one of our guests at the home buying workshop was actually not just a first-time home buyer because she had bought previously, but it had been a while. And even she walked away saying, that was a great refresher, or, from her buying experience, she suddenly realized some things that were missing that she wished she had actually met us when she had made her home purchase.
Absolutely.
So even though it's really geared towards first-time home buyers, even if it's been a while since you've actually owned a home and you would like to come back for a refresher, certainly it's something that, we won't say no to.
Absolutely.
So stay tuned to our social media, stay tuned to our videos. We'll let you know when the next one is. And if you are interested and want to be on the list now, I guess they could email or call either one of us and we'll keep them on the list.
Yeah, we'll set up on the next one. Yeah,
awesome.
Absolutely.
Very good. Anything else?
Let's get it going.
Let's get it going.
2020 is coming up.
It's right there. It's right around the corner. All right, guys. Well, once again, signing off for Mortgage Mondays, it's Uzi and
Shaheen.
Talk
See you
to you
next
soon.
Monday.
Bye.